Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about the problem number 5. The problem is in front of your screen. You can see here that you have to draw the full sectional front view and the top view of the figure given below. So you can see the figure in your screen. So this is a figure, three-dimensional figure. So you have to draw the front view, sectional front view, not the front view only. It is a sectional front view and top view. So top view is not a sectional one, but the front view, I have to draw the front sectional front view. Sectional front view means full sectional front view. Full sectional front view means we have to cut this object throughout this. You have to cut this object. At the middle point, and whatever you can see, you have to cut here. Cut this portion. That is full sectional means remove the half portion, this one, front portion, whatever. This is our front side. It means that I am standing here in this position and I am seeing the object from here. This is my front view. And top view. Top view means we have to see the object from the top side. Whatever we see, that is our top view. And now we draw the sectional front view. Sectional front view means first of all we remove the half portion and then we see from this side, means that is our full sectional front view. Now I am give you the solution how you can draw. So first of all you have to draw a line, means actually in third angle projection the front view is above the top view. First angle projection, the front view is above the top view. So we have to draw a line here, that is a reference line, and above this reference line, that is we have to draw our front view, means full sectional front view here, and the top view is at the bottom of the sectional view. So let's start now. Suppose this is our baseline, means here the object, this is our baseline, base of the object, extreme bottom of this object, this one and this one, and the length, suppose this is the length, of the object is given here in the drawing, that is how much, that is 100. So you do it by measuring by the scale, and you have to draw here, but I am here just not taking the exact scale, so I am drawing here. So above this XY reference line, draw another thin line here, that is above 10 millimeter and below 10 millimeter here, and it means that we keep the extreme bottom portion of this object, just place here above upon this line. So if we sectional front view means this side is our front, so take this point, place this point, extreme right and bottom portion here, suppose here, take here. And what is the height, this height from here to here, this is 50, and this radius is how much, 40, means from here to here. The total length of this is how much, from here to here, of the center of this hole, that is 50 millimeter, and from here to here, that is 40 millimeter. So draw 90 millimeter. Suppose we draw a line that is 90 millimeter. Suppose this is 90 millimeter. From here to here, this is 90 millimeter. Total height is 90 millimeter. And from here to here, that is how much? That is 100 millimeter length. So this is 90 millimeter, and suppose you take 100 millimeter horizontal line. We draw this edge. This edge represents this line, that is 100 millimeter, and you draw from here this portion, this height also. This is this height. You can see here the width of this, suppose rib, this rib 20 is given, means this it is 20 thickness of this rib, then this portion also it is 20 millimeter. So take 20 millimeter from here, take 20 millimeter, suppose this is 20 millimeter from this side, sorry. Suppose this is 20 millimeter. So up to 20 millimeter, this thickness is how much? This is 16 millimeter. So take 16 millimeter from here. Suppose this is 16 millimeter, and take 16 millimeter here, and thickness is how much? 20. So suppose this is 20. So suppose from 16 millimeter to here, that is 20 millimeter. And here is also 20 millimeter. So draw a line just like this, just like this. So this edge represent this line. Now you join these two, 20 millimeter, and this line, this thickness is 20 millimeter. Understand? In a similar way, now take center. What is the center? This is 100, means this is from here, this is 50 and 50. So draw another center line. Draw a center line. Extend the line, because we have to draw the top view also. We have to draw the top view also. Understand? Now, in the front view, another circular portion is there, and a hole is there. Here given, you can see the phi 20 means diameter 20 millimeter, 3 holes. This is the first hole, second hole, and at the top another hole is there. So this hole, the diameter is 20, this hole diameter is 20, and this hole diameter is also 20 millimeter. So where is hole? That is 20 millimeter from here, means 20 millimeter diameter means radius how much? That is 10. Suppose this is 10 millimeter. This is 10 millimeter. If it is not a sectional view, then we can't see this hole from the front view. So draw a hatched line here. Understand? If this body is not a sectional, means we can't see the hole from the front side, from the front view. So draw dashed line here, that is a hidden. But we cut the object from the middle, then we can see we see the edges, because this is a cutting. After cutting, we can see the edges of the hole. Understand? After cutting, we can see the edge of the whole edges, two edges. But if it is not cutting, then we can't see. Now you have to draw this circular portion. What is the height of this circular portion? Cylindrical portion is there. That is 24. And whose the outer, this circular portion, the outer diameter 580, means take 80 millimeter, means 40 from here, 40 from here, and take 40 from the center. And what is the height? The height is how much? That is 24 millimeter. So take from here to here, that is 20 millimeter, and join this. This circular portion, if we see from here, then we can see a rectangle of diameter. How much? A rectangle, this length is 80, because here given the 580 means diameter in the outer circle, and the inner circle whose diameter is how much? That is 60. Means the thickness of this circular, suppose see the cylindrical portion, this is 10, from here to here this is 80, and from here to here 60, means 10 thickness of this circular cylinder. That is how much? 10 millimeter. So if we don't cut from here full section, then if we don't cut this, then the original front view is how much? This inner portion we can't see from the top, means thickness. So that is 10 millimeter from this side. So 10 millimeter means how much? Suppose this is 10 millimeter. So we can't see, means it is a dashed line. From here 10 millimeter also, means it is a dashed line. But if we cut this portion, full section, then this edge we can see directly from the front view, full sectional front view. So we draw a form line here. Understand? Now the height, that is already given here, and another two holes are there. If we cut the full section, then we can see this edge also, here another edge, and here another. Similarly here this edge also, if we cut from here at the middle, then we can see from the middle, then we can see this edge and this edge also. So what is the center? Center means this center is how much distance? How far distance from here? That is 40, and from this center the whole diameter, this whole diameter is how much? That is 20, means 10 millimeter. So take a distance radius 20 millimeter. Suppose from here to here, that is how much? That is 20 millimeter. So suppose take 20 millimeter from this. So this is the center, the center of this hole. Similarly this side also, this is the center of the hole. So take 10 millimeter as a diameter, means from here to here this is 10 millimeter radius, means here to here this is 10, this is also 10, this side and this side take 10 millimeter and 10 millimeter from this side also. So this is the sketch of the front view. Now this is the front view, full sectional front view, that you can see from the front side, sectional front view, this one. Now the cutting portion, we have to draw the hatch line, the cutting portion of the object. The cutting portion which surfaces are cut, that surface, in that surface we have to draw the hatching line. Understand? We have to draw the hatching line because we cut that surfaces. So here if we cut from there full section, then this portion is a cutting portion, this portion is a cutting portion, means this portion is cutting portion, these are the dashed line, this portion cutting portion, this portion is cutting portion. We have to cut this portion also is a cutting portion, this is also a cutting portion, you can see. So we have to draw hatching line here also, we draw hatching line here also, and all these hatching line are at an angle 45 degree with the base. So these are the hatching, this is a cutting portion also. So this is the sectional front view, full sectional front view of this given figure. Now we have to draw a top view. Top view. Top view is not a full sectional view, just you can draw the top view, only top view. We have to draw here, you have to draw here only the top view. So top view is just like this. Draw the projection line from here, draw the projection line here. Now draw the projection line. So this is how much? This is 80. Diameter is 80. So we can see two circular section. Suppose from here to here, this is 80. So we can see two circular section. This is the projection of the outer circle. This is the projection of the outer circle. Suppose from here to here, this is 40. So this is the center line of the hole, and draw a circle. Draw a circle. This is the outer circle, you can see this outer circle, and another inner circle. Draw the projection. This is the inner circular portion. So you have to draw another circle here. Draw another circle. This is the inner diameter, inner circular portion, you can see here, and the outermost surface, that is a rectangular one. So rectangular one we can give how much, this how much, that is from here to here, this is radius 40 means this is 80, that we can see here. This portion is how much? 80. So take 80 from here. This is the upper portion, and for this edge, from the top view we can't see this edge, another edge is there here, that is behind. If we see it from the top, this edge this edge that we can see from the top. So you have to draw, means this edge and this edge. So this is the projection. To draw a section means it is a dashed line. Then this portion, this is the projection line. So you have to draw a dashed line, means it is this edge is below the upper surface in the top view, and you can see two holes are there at the bottom, means two holes. This is the center. From here the hole diameter is 20, means 10 millimeter from this side. So how much from this point? This is a hole dash line, this is the hole, and similarly this side another hole is there for this hole that we can see from the top, but a hole is there. So a dashed line, and similarly from here you can draw a hole. This is the two holes are there if we see from the top. Another hole that is at the middle of this portion, whose diameter is also how much? 20 millimeter. So take another hole that we can see from the top. So this is the top view of the section. Now I am marking it by total drawing by the pen, then you can easily understand the final drawing. This is our final drawing that you can see. This is for the rectangular one. This is the outer circle. This is the outer circle. And this is the inner circle. This is the inner circle, and this is the another circle of hole, that is another circle is there at the center. So this is the another circle of diameter 20 millimeter, and so this is the top view of the object. This is the top view of the object, and this is a dashed line. You can see here the edges. Now erase the extra projection line that is not required. So this projection line have to, so erase this projection line from with this, in this position up to that point only. So erase the extra portion, understand, and this is the center line. Center line is as it is, and this extended portion we cannot give. Now give dimension. Now give dimension just like this. This is how much, this is how much, this is from here to here, from here to here, this is how much, this is 80, 580, all dimensions. No dimension is given, means all dimensions are in millimeter. Now inner diameter is how much, that is 60. Inner diameter is how much, that is 60. From to here, this is 60. And the height is how much, this is 24. From this side to this side, that is 24. So all dimensions are in millimeter. So you can see this is 24. This length is how much, this length is 100 millimeter, that is 100 millimeter, that is 100 millimeter, and the width is how much from here to here, that is how much, that is width is how much, given all this thing, the width is 80 millimeter. From here to here, this is 80. and from here to here this is 20 millimeter. You have to give the dimension. This is also 20, and this inner hole, that is also 20 millimeter. This hole from here to here, this is how much? 20 millimeter. Diameter is 20. Understand? And what should be the height from center to this height? That is how much? That is 50 millimeter. And from this center to bottom, that is 40 millimeter. That is 40 millimeter. So this is our sectional front view. This is our sectional front view. You can see here, this is our sectional front view, and this is our sectional front view. You can see here. Sectional front view, and this is the top view. So give each and every dimension here after drawing the view. So this is the solution of the problem, full sectional view and top view. I think you all of you will understand this. Thanks.